Hey everyone, and welcome to the video. If you're here watching this, I appreciate you. This is actually one of my first videos and I'm starting to document everything I've been doing to upgrade my room. Basically from Alexa integrations to wire tucking to overall setup organization. The goal is to create an efficient, clean, organized, smart space that feels dialed in. So I'm not a professional by any means or anything like that, just a young adult having fun building out my dream room. But I figured if I document these little things I've been doing along the way, maybe it'll help someone else out or even inspire a few room glow ups. So today I will be making a pretty short, quick video on cable management. So I actually have an extension strip right here that I got from Amazon that I use for my work. So this extension strip right here has a 5-foot cable, which is basically showing some slack, and I need to hide that. What I'm gonna use for that is this extension cable hider that I got from Amazon, adhesive backing, and it opens so you can easily hide the wires in there, which is a really big plus because majority of them just have a split in the back, and once you put the wire in there and stick it on, you can't take the wire back out. So I will link all the materials that I have in the description below. So let's get started. The goal is we want this to come straight down. And then we're just gonna route it like so. So we gotta be careful it's not too tight. There's some slack, but pretty easy, pretty straightforward process. So we're gonna want to measure out how much exactly. So if we were to start from right there, I think it's probably better to put the wire in and then I can measure from there exactly where I want to cut it. Just gonna slide the wire in here. You have to really tuck it in because you can see the difference, how this has a gap and then how this is all seamless. But it just takes a little bit of patience to really tuck it in so you don't see any gaps. But like I said, these are great wire hiders from Amazon. I think I paid $10 for a 36-inch strip, I believe it was. Okay, so we're pretty much good. Now it's just a matter of routing this. So at first I was gonna cut it and then start another cable hider here, but then there would be an exposed wire showing, so I really don't want that. So we're gonna just have to make a little bit of a bend, which is not a big deal. So it may not look like the smoothest, clearest transition, but we'll see. So I'm gonna start from here, try to go down as straight as possible, and then we're gonna work on bending it. So I don't want to have too much slack either, but then again I don't want it to be too sloppy. So not too much tension. I don't want to have too much tension on the wires as well. So we're probably gonna have it bend right there because there's not too much tension. There's not that many knots or tight bends, I should say. So I think that's a perfect spot to mount it. So we got the wire in there. Now it's just a matter of, getting the perfect mount. So let's get this double-sided tape off. probably, man, I should have cleaned this. Tips for anyone installing adhesive backings: don't be like me and forget to clean the dirt off of it. There we go. Voila. Just gonna stick this in a bit more so it doesn't pop out too much. All right, I'm gonna put the cover back on. This is the finished product. So we had the extension wire routed all the way back here, and then the wire goes in there. So we are done with project number 1. Thanks everyone for watching, and as always, I will leave my materials in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you found this helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's anyone that you think it will find this helpful, please share them the video as well. I will be releasing more content like this, so stay tuned.